Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim. Let's talk about why I'm wearing these crazy looking glasses. The Gapasea Glass 1 Pro are no ordinary glasses. These are the world's first phone-free walkie-talkie glasses. You got no signal, you got no problem. They use a mesh network intercom style walkie-talkie that is hands-free, voice-activated, and even powers on automatically as soon as you put them on. The idea behind these glasses is that if you are riding, hiking, running, climbing, or any other activity that requires you to keep use of your hands, you can also keep contact with the rest of your team without even having to push a button. Without even using a phone app, these glasses can pair with up to 24 members of a team with the simple twist of a knob. An app that goes with these glasses allows you to have even finer control over how they work, such as changing default settings on the tap modes and allowing you to extend your experience for a monthly fee. But even without the app, the glasses are very easy to use. There is a single knob that changes between channels and indicates which channel you are on with a different team color for easy identification. There are 7 channels total, 6 public and 1 private, and the more users that jump on the channel, the larger the range of distance these glasses can cover. By themselves, they've got about a half-mile range, but that can be boosted to up to 3 miles using a pay-based phone app. Again, the walkie-talkie function is completely hands-free. The glasses turn on when you put them on and turn off when you take them off. However, the glasses also have a side tap function that allows you to run your phone with the glasses. So for example, I was able to listen to music, pause, play, skip songs, or control my audiobook in the exact same way. The sound is excellent through 2 high-fidelity speakers with a 20 milliwatt power rating and 3 Blue brand microphones. Built-in noise control keeps the sound clear, even in 30-mile-per-hour winds. On top of all of this, the Gapasea glasses come with an AI assistant powered by ChatGPT-5. Now, on a full charge, the glasses are going to run about 2.5 hours when used in walkie-talkie mode, and about 8 hours in playback mode only. If the Bluetooth is paused, they will stay charged for 50 hours, and with use of the built-in charger in the phone case, you can go 80 hours without having to plug them into an outlet. Of course, the glasses can also be used to control the phone itself, and so if you don't mind interrupting your music, audiobook, or team conversations, you can answer your phone and have a conversation there as well. Now that's just the tech side of things, but the glasses don't skimp on quality. These lenses are made by Zeiss Optics, one of the world's top optic glass makers, and these lenses are built to go on adventures. They are ultraviolet, scratch, and impact resistant. The contoured flexible arms conform very well to the head, and the rubberized air pressure nose pads keep them right where they should be. The glasses are IP65 rated against water and dust, and you are getting all of this for a stated weight of 46 grams. I got 1.7 ounces on my scale, so you shouldn't have any trouble wearing them all day. Now, the Gapasea walkie-talkie glasses are going to launch in March of 2026. At this time, they do not have prescription lenses, but they will be offering a prescription clip-on. Now, I found that they could actually be placed over my regular glasses, but for the best fit, you're going to want to switch to contacts or that clip-on prescription lens. I was pretty impressed with the quality of these glasses. The music sounded good, the audiobooks were clear, as were phone conversations and the walkie-talkie itself. Now, when I tried these out with my kids, we found that they were breaking up at about 1/4 mile, but even though we were hearing some breakup, they were still usable. I did not try them with the paid phone boost option.
Okay. So it's working so far.
I can hear
on
him.
my side.
Yeah, I can hear you on this side.
So can I.
Okay, why don't you walk that way and keep talking to him?
Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can still hear you.
This is starting to get a little bit staticky.
Yeah,
Keep going.
yeah, I can hear you.
You're going crazy static. You know that, right?
Yeah, you're going crazy static too. Oh, there's a cat in the way.
Keep talking. Just say random words.
In addition to the overall quality, I really appreciated the ease of use. In fact, it was actually a little bit confusing at first because the instructions didn't tell how to use the walkie-talkie. But of course, it's completely hands-free, so there really aren't any instructions other than to turn the glasses to the same channel and talk. Pairing with the phone app was just as easy as any other app, and the menu was pretty straightforward. I did mess around with the defaults a little bit because I found that volume control was not something that was automatically built in, and that was something that I definitely wanted to have control over. However, it is a very simple change to make. So if you are interested in some high-quality glasses with some high-quality tech built in, check out the Gapasea walkie-talkie glasses. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, why don't you give it a like and subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you are into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Until next time, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching.